Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share my product empties. I had shared I think few months back. Now I have some makeup and skincare empties. So I thought I'll share with you. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first product is the Garnier oil infused micellar water. I have shown this before also in my favorites and empties video. I have repurchased this a lot of time. This retails for 225 rupees for the small bottle, and this time I repurchased a bigger bottle. This retails for 399 rupees. So I think this is more value for money. It removes every kind of makeup, your waterproof mascara, eyeliners. Even on the days I wear only sunscreen and just lipstick, I use this as like double cleansing. I really like this. I did not like the other variant in this, so I didn't repurchase it, but this I will keep repurchasing, and it's a very affordable makeup remover even if you are a beginner. The next product is the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. This retails for around 810 rupees. I had shown this in I think one of my mini reviews, all the products I regret buying, because I did not like this at all. I think it's a very overhyped product. Even though it is a lotion, it's very thick. I have combination skin, so if you have oily skin you will not like this at all, but if you have extremely dry skin, maybe you can still try. I bought a bigger bottle, I don't know why, from a medical shop, so I completely used it up as a body lotion, because I couldn't put this on my face because it makes my face so greasy and oily and it doesn't get absorbed fast. So I want my moisturizers to be very lightweight and easily absorbing, especially it's very humid here. So I did not like this, and I wouldn't recommend if you have combination to oily skin. I will not repurchase this. The next product is also a very hyped up product in the market. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I first purchased the mini size to try it out. This retails for around 299 rupees. But I got it on a discount only. I did not pay the full price for it. I really liked it. It's very hydrating because my hair is colored and chemically treated. So it's very dry, so this really helps, especially when I apply this on damp hair. It really moisturizes my hair really well, and it lasts for quite 1 or 2 days, and every alternative days I apply this, and I really love this. So I went ahead and bought the bigger bottle of this. This is how it looks like. This comes with a pump also. Now this retails for 499 rupees. So if you haven't tried it, go for the mini size, and if you like that, then you can buy the full size, but I'm sure you will love this. It's one of the best affordable serums I have tried, and I think it's definitely worth the hype. The next product is a face wash. This is my Himalaya Neem face wash. I have shown this in all my empties. It will be always there. I'll keep repurchasing this. It really helps with controlling my acne and oil secretion on my face. So it's my daily face wash which I keep repurchasing. So I will highly recommend this if you have acne prone skin, especially when you are on your periods and all, you get that tiny bumps and acne. It really helps in controlling that. So highly recommend. This tube retails for 155 rupees. Now the next product is by Nykaa. It is their sleeping mask which contains tea tree and aloe vera. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like inside. It's completely empty. This retails for 175 rupees, but I did not buy this. I got this as a free product when I bought something from Nykaa. It is okay. It is okay product. It's nothing great. It's a good sleeping mask, but I think for such a small packaging, 175 is a little expensive. Maybe if you want to try it, you can definitely try it. They have different variants also. but I wouldn't repurchase this because I didn't find this very effective, that I went go ahead and purchase a new one. So yeah, but it was not bad, it did not irritate my skin, it was very soothing on the skin. If the quantity was more, I would have repurchased maybe, but right now I don't think I'm repurchasing this. Product is also a skincare product. This is the Hip Hop charcoal nose strips. I had shown this in a haul. I got 2 packets for just 99 rupees. It contains 3 strips each, and actually this does not remove blackheads, but I really loved using this because I have lot of whiteheads and gunk in my pores on my nose. It may be because I wear makeup a lot. Once a week I used to use this. You have to wet your nose and then apply the strip on your nose, and then leave it on for like 10-15 minutes, and then when you remove it, you can actually see a lot of gunk and whiteheads on your strip. So, and once you wash your face, your nose looks very smooth. So when you apply makeup on top of that, you don't see that texture on your nose. So I really like this. I would definitely repurchase this. If you're looking for a good nose strip, you can definitely try this, but keep in mind that this does not remove blackheads. For that, you have to go to a dermatologist, or you can try chemical exfoliation, but blackheads, this doesn't work for blackheads. Now the next product is a soap. This is by Dove. This is their cream oil with Moroccan argan oil. It's a good soap. So if you remember, I had mentioned in my last empties that I have stopped using shower gels and I have moved to bar soaps. But what happened is, like, I used it for like 2 months. Different soaps I have tried. I started getting a lot of acne on my body. Maybe because my body is used to shower gels, and the soaps might be a little harsh. So now I'm thinking of going back to shower gels, because it's a lot. It's like a lot of acne, and on my arms and legs. It doesn't get that soft and smooth feel as a shower gel. So I may go back to shower gel. So I won't be repurchasing this soap anyways now, but it's a good soap. It retails for around 75 rupees only. It's very hydrating. It's okay. I got this from a nearby store, not from Nykaa. So I don't know if this variant is available on online, but it's a good one. Nothing bad to say about it. Now we have some makeup empties. It's very difficult to finish off makeup. Hardly you will see makeup empties on my channel. So this time I have a mascara. This is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. This retails for about 825 rupees. I got this from Nykaa. I did not like this because it definitely lengthens your lashes, but it does not give any volume. And it also flaked on my lower lashes, so I will not repurchase this. I really love my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, so I'll repurchase that, and I wouldn't recommend this. If you have really fuller lashes, maybe it will work. I do not think it is worth repurchasing. The next product is a foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F8. As you can see, it's only this much left in my tube. I love this foundation. It gives the most natural skin like finish on your skin. I have used this on so many weddings and events. It lasts for a very long time. If you set it with a powder, it doesn't transfer onto your masks also. And it's very long wearing. I think it's a very underrated product. I don't see anybody talking about this, but I love this, and I am going to definitely repurchase this. This retails for 850 rupees, but you'll get always on 600-650 rupees on discounts. So definitely wait for a sale. If you have dry, normal and combination skin, you will love this. If you have oily skin, you might not like this because it gives a dewy finish. But if you are dry skin, you will love this. I do not even use a separate concealer when I'm using this. I just dot this under my eyes, and it doesn't crease, it doesn't make it look crappy. It's so smooth, and I can't say enough about this foundation. I love this, and my shade is F8. My shade is F8. If you are near to my skin tone, you can definitely try this shade. I'll give you a swatch. This is how F8 looks like. It is like the perfect match to my skin tone. I don't have any foundation which looks so close to my skin tone. Okay, let's move on to the next product. It is a kajal. It is the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. This retails for 110 rupees, but I got it for like 90 rupees. It's one of the best drugstore kajals. It's so inexpensive and it's so creamy and pigmented. As you can see, it's so creamy, it's black, and it's very long lasting. That's what I love about this kajal. It doesn't smudge under your waterline or lash line. I have very watery eyes, but this stays put throughout the day. I can really go out without the tension of kajal smudging. I don't have to even set it with a eyeshadow or something. It's really long lasting. I have shown this in one of my kajal videos. Definitely try this if you are like a kajal person. It's very inexpensive. It's available on purple.com. I have already repurchased this. I have already placed my order, so that's how much I love this. Definitely a great purchase. The next product is also a kajal. This is the Colorbar Just Smoky Eyes Kajal in the shade black. I can't swatch this because it's completely dried out. It's like this. It's actually completely dried out. I love this kajal. It is not completely smudge proof. You have to set it with the brown eyeshadow, but the pigmentation is amazing. It's very creamy and it's jet black. So this retails for around 675 rupees, so it's not that inexpensive, but it's a good one. I repurchased this in a different color. This is in the shade Just Masala. It's like a plummy brown color, if you can see. I love wearing these kind of colors on a day-to-day basis, so that's why I bought it. But the black one is also amazing. Just set it with an eyeshadow and you'll be good to go. So that's all for my product empties. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. I'll see you soon in my next video.